This video is of unboxing this new phone. This phone is a replacement phone of a Smartron SRT. The first one which I bought that had some issue with the mic. I was not able to listen to other person when I put call on speakerphone. Otherwise mic was working fine. So this is a replacement which I just got few minutes back from Amazon. Very quick, within 2 days. So let's go ahead with the unboxing of Smartron SRT phone. I don't have anything to unbox because this is my first video of unboxing. So let's get going. You may listen you may hear something from some voices from my kid Pinky, so bear with. तू यहाँ है, ठीक है, okay. So this is some unboxing it with this scissor which doesn't open at all. कोई बात नहीं. So let's open it. In the box we get this phone. हाँ मैं खोल रहा हूँ ना. Okay, nothing else, just few bill invoices. Okay, give me. Okay, so we'll keep this thing aside. Okay, now my kid wants to open it. खोलो इसको अभी. इसको पहले पन्नी निकालना पड़ेगा. So we will first it's Smartron SRT phone. If you can see this, let me zoom into it. Okay, and specifications are here. You can see this one is mobile phone 1 unit, manufactured June 2017. The one which I got before this was manufactured in the month of July. And this one is SRT phone T552464 GB, mobile phone charger, cable, one quick guide. Okay, and this is manufactured in India, so made in India phone. This comes with inclusive of accidental screen protection. So screen protection, okay, that's good, because the phone which I bought before this came with insurance for 1 year. For 1 year. So this is something else. Screen protection is good thing compared to insurance. I hate insurance. And this is customer service thing. This customer service number doesn't work at all. And you can see the SAR values are impressive. 0.559 weight per kg for head and 0.632 for per kg for body. 64 GB version. So let's open it. Okay, it's a sealed pack. निकालना मत ये. Okay. हाँ ले खोल. पन्नी निकालो पूरा. Very good. Feel. अभी इसे. Now we'll open this box. Okay. Open. यहाँ से ऐसे दबाओ ऐसे खोलो. निकालो इसको, निकालो बाहर निकालो इसे. हाँ निकालो, खींचो. So this is now. अभी मुझे दिखाने दे. So this is the box. Nothing on any side, just this IMEI and everything. And here we. Now this is the phone. If you can see, okay, I can see. Okay, this is the quick start guide. Okay, on this phone, as per description, okay, on this phone, as per description of this product on the website, it says it has indicator light here, but there is no indicator light. So it shows on the front we have a charging port, speaker, volume key here, up and down rocker, volume rockers, and lock. Power button is at the top, which is very oddly, but it is of no use, because you will only use it when you want to switch off the phone. Okay, because you can use this fingerprint sensor, double tap to unlock, double tap to lock, and you can kind of unlock and lock it. For this purpose, we use this power button, but it's not required. So that's good that it is at the top, so we can only use 2 keys, volume rocker on the right hand side. And apart from this, you can see sim 1, sim 2, and there is a flash for rear camera, 13 megapixel camera. This is, I think, mic for the camera, which is not, they have not mentioned it. Detachable back cover, plasticky one, fingerprint sensor, NFC, that's a good thing. And here is the speaker. At the bottom you have one side, the left side is the speaker and other side is nothing, and charging port. And 3.5 mm jack is at the top here. Okay, great. So let's check the phone. So we get the phone. Okay, let me first open. Let me first check if there is any kind of damage to the phone. Looks perfect. You can see the build is very good. Everything is metal, only back cover is looks metal, but it's a plastic. Very sturdy phone, very light. And you can see at the top here is we have power button and my noise cancelling and headphone jack, front camera, proximity sensor, and backlit, 3 backlit keys, hardware keys, and here the 5.5 inch screen. And at the back we have this logo, Smartron SRT phone, and the company name, 13 megapixel camera with this flash and I think mic and volume blocker key at one side. So here is the phone, very pretty phone. So let me first open the packaging. And I've seen a video where someone was torturing the phone, and this phone could नहीं पिंकी मैं कर रहा हूँ, दो ना तुम मुझे, अरे तुझे नहीं पता, देख मस्ती नहीं. I'm sorry for this. अरे कैसे लगाएगी? Okay, so she is 3 years old and I'm not sure how she knows how to put the SIM card यहाँ पे. Okay, ऐसे अभी ऐसे डाल दिया, हो गया. SIM 2 है वो पिंकी, यहाँ पे इसे डालना है. So I'm putting my SIM 1. रुको ना जरा पिंकी, कितना तुम करती हो. Give me 1 minute. So this is SIM 1 tray. Goes in. यहाँ पे दूसरा डालो, यहाँ पे रखो, कुछ मत करना तू. So this is SIM 2. Goes in. Nicely. Okay. So here you can see this is NFC and few SAR values and IMEI वगैरह वगैरह, and nothing else, camera and everything. Very nicely made. So that person completely tortured this phone. He used coins and sharp keys, which sharp keys for sharp keys, and he completely scratched the screen, but nothing happened to screen. He also did this kind of pressure and this kind of pressure and this everything, but nothing happened to screen or the body. Okay, so there is no fingerprinting issue at the back. This screen is not kind of you will have some fingerprints on this, which is normal. Let's switch on the phone. Okay, so unboxing is done. Not done yet. We have apart from this, let's see what we have. Apart from this, we have this cable, not properly packaged, looks very clumsy, but the quality of this cable is very good. You can see the C type type C cable for fast charging, and this one here is the रुको पिंकी, रुको ना यार, रुक. Okay, this one is a fast charger with a rating of input is 100 normal thing, output is 5 volt, 2x9 volt, so 2 amp charger. Nice, very fast charging. So I also did a charging trend of this phone with the previous one, and I also did a battery backup, extensive battery backup, so which was good. The charging takes almost if you use the phone normally it takes 1 hour and approximately 2 hours to fully charge the phone. 50% charge happens very quickly, and then it slows down. So let's set up the phone. This will take some time, so that's it. Apart from this, we don't have anything on this phone. So all unboxing is done, and I'll keep on posting different reviews, different tests done on this phone. This phone has 64 GB internal memory, 4 GB RAM, and NFC, all kind of sensors, gyroscope sensors, and proximity, adaptive brightness, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything works fine, no issue at all. And it comes, I bought it for 7,900, and the price keeps on changing every day, so you may get lower price or higher price. On the website, this is available at around 10,999, and if you add few things on it, and it will go up. So that's how it is. And so that's how it works. So if you have any questions, phone is good. 7,900, you are getting 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal with Snapdragon processor, which is 652. That is amazing. And hope with every update this phone will go work much better compared to previous versions of software. And that's it. Apart from this, I don't think anything will be on this unboxing. So this is a basic unboxing. Split screen also works very perfect, and everything else works absolutely smooth. So that's it for the unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you like this review, let me know, and we'll keep on uploading pictures about this phone, every kind of test, new updates, and they are going to launch Oreo update this month, January 2018, and hope this phone will perform way better than what we are getting it now. Okay, this is my name. Okay, great. Thanks for watching, and like it, comment, share, and subscribe to encourage and appreciate my efforts. And you can also join a special SRT WhatsApp group. I will put the link below, and also a forum where you can see different topics discussed about this phone. So thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.